The Cat in the Hat. The sun did not shine. It was too wet to play. So we sat in the house all that cold, wet day. I sat there with Sally. We sat there, we too. And I said, how I wish we had something to do. Too wet to go out and too cold to play ball. So we sat in the house. We did nothing at all. So all that we could do was to sit. And we did not like it, not one little bit. And then something went bump. How that bump made us jump. We looked at and we saw him step on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the Cat in the Hat. And he said to us, why do you sit there like that? I know it's wet and the sun is not shiny, but we can have lots of good fun that is funny. I know some good games we could play, said the cat. I know some new tricks and said the Cat in the Hat. A lot of good tricks. I will show them to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Then Sally and I did not know what to say. Our mother was out of the house for the day. But our fish said, no, make that cat go away. Tell that Cat in the Hat you do not want to play. He should not be here. He should not be about. He should not be here when your mother is out. Now, have no fear. Have no fear, said Cat in the Hat. My tricks are not bad, said the Cat in the Hat. Why we can have lots of good fun if you wish, with a game that I call Up with a Fish. Put me down, said the fish. This is no fun at all. Put me down, said the fish. I do not wish to fall. Have no fear, said the cat. I will not let you fall. I will hold you up high as I stand on a ball, with a book on one hand and a cup on my hat. But that's not all I can do, said the cat. Look at me now, said the cat, with a cup and a kick on top of my hat. I can hold up 2 books. I can hold up the fish. And a little toy ship. And some milk on the dish. And look, I can hop and down on the ball. But that's not all. Oh no, that's not all. Look at me, look at me, look at me now. It is fun to have fun, but you have to know how I can hold up the cup and the milk and the cake. And I can hold up these books and the fish on a rig. I can hold a toy ship and a little toy man. And look, with my tail, I can hold a red fan. I can fan with the fan as I hop on the ball. But that's not all. Oh no, that's not all. That is what the cat said. Then he fell down on his head. He came down with a bump from up there on the ball. Sally and I, we saw all the things fall. And our fish came down too. He fell into a pot. He said, "Do I like this? Oh no, I do not. This is not good. This is not a good game," said our fish as he hit. Oh, I do not. No, I do not like it. Not one little bit. Look, now look. What did you do to said the fish to the cat. Now look at this house. Look at this. Look at that. You snake or toy ship. You hooked up our house.